Whee! Hey, easy, 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 easy. Uy, mahulog ako, Bin. Uy, paduli. Sige, Bin, andal mo na muna. Andal. Ay, andakan. Candy. Guys, mag-join kayo sa akin. Add nyo ko. Defeated Moon 9. May underscore. Malilit lahat ng letters.
Kuya, tanong mo, tumakas ka.
Oo nga. Ang angasuki tayong giyap. Labi, nahulog ako. Ba't ang bilis mo? Nahulog ako. Lono, sige, binakalis na. O yung alaga mo, nakatakas. Lono. Saan to? Saan to?
Alagad ko, tumakas na.
Oo, alagad mo, tumakas na.
Alagad ko yung aking...
Huwag ka lang. Ano yung copy? We have a food. I'm in. Bilibin, balikan mo kung nasaan ako. Bin, sa akin itong kape, At tayo sa may peanut butter. Kaya ginasang ka, Bin. Ba't ka kasi lumayo? Hindi ka pa kasi naghintay mo yun eh. Ay, nako. Lala.
Peanut butter.
Mayroon din mag-grade pala ng ano. Mali ako magmaneho. Bangga. Una, ulo, panalawa pa. Ay, katawan. Binata na ako.
Mama.
Here is the horse. Teka lang, Ben. Teka lang. Sarado ko lang. Garan, madam. Alabot alag ka ng alag ka umalog. Huwag ka po umalog. Huwag ka umalog. Uy. Huwag ka umalog. Huwag ka aalog. Kaya pala. Ala, inada. Oy. Nagdadabog na yung, uy, wag ka magdabog. Ayun. Nagdadabog na. Di ako nagdadrive eh. Bino, nagdadabog na ako sa loob. Bino, wag mo ubusin yung peanut butter. Mustalis. Mama mo dalis. Nagdadabog na ako. Nagdadabog na. Amin na, Bin. Ako na. Okay na. Matapon yan. Amin na. Garan, maka. Lolo ng peanut butter. Ulo. Chocobar. Binidrive mo na, nagdadabog na ako sa loob.
Ayaw kumakain sa talong. Uy, tingnan mo, ikot yan ko dyan.
Aha.
Tingnan mo, ihi ko dyan. Ano?
Lasang ano? Ang sarap, lasang Nutella.
Uwe?
Sasa mo. Lasang chocolate, bisa mo.
Ano?
Ya? Ba? Ang sarap, promise, oh. Teka lang, nagdadabog pa ako. Naglalag ako kasi naka-video skin ako eh. Kanina, hindi naman ako. Drive mo na ba yun?
Ako na.
Ready. I-drive mo lang, drive mo lang. Kawawa naman yung driver. Yung driver, naiinis na.
Bagang.
Nag-drip. As.
Dito, dip ka. Bagang, dito na wala.
Lubot mo ni wala. Pinula na tuloy.
Ay,
Teka lang, mag-live muna tayo, Ben. Hindi pa tayo. Ano naman tayo? Ano ba tayo?
tung.
Hindi.
Kasi tunggis. Tama ba ko?
Hindi. Mag-ano tayo?
Tung.
Ano?
Tung.
Ay. Hindi pala.
Saling man.
Troll Bomb Tower 7.
Boom power.
Troll Bomb Tower.
Boom. Boom baka. Magsabog po. Ang sabog. Pasawog.
Bombombil Kusini.
Bombing cuisine. Tae. Oh, bagay yakin daw. Twist. No, won't.
No!
Kapate.
Haha.
Hindi ba ba no?
Hindi ko binigay. Kung bumigay. Bumigay yung bomb. Kasi ayaw niya daw kasi sa sobrang lakas ko daw. At kasi daw nagdalaga ako sa sobrang.
Hindi daw.
Hindi, kaya ka nga nilapitan kasi ka maging malakas. So the strongest. Strongest battle time.
Strongest tayo. Kuya!
Teka lang.
Oh!
under the same roof, nothing more. But ever since she showed up, Chanu, I missed you. I can't stop noticing them. When I see them together, my heart aches. Why do I feel like this? We're just friends. That's all we've ever been. I'm not supposed to feel anything, but maybe I already do.
Hey, yo!
She put my name on yellow hearts. 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 She put my name on.
DTI. Balloon. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng DTI? DTI? Ano yung Dustin Test? Subscribe me.
Yeah.
Subscribe me, please. Light up.
If you pushed a pen into your finger, you'd probably stop when it starts to hurt. But would a Venus flytrap stop, seeing as they can feel things that are inside their mouth? Well, if you put a pin inside a flytrap, it will end up closing, but it won't close as much as it usually does. This is probably because the pin is holding the trap open, even though it has actually managed to push through the other side. But if we give it something to eat, will it keep closing and push that pin through, or will it stay still because it feels pain? Well, you see, flytraps need something to keep moving inside their mouth before it will seal. So giving it food will help us test if it will stop itself from feeling any pain. Now, although flytraps have very sensitive traps, they are only sensitive to something touching their trigger hairs. And because they're plants, they don't feel pain like we can, which is why it keeps sealing up until the pin actually gets in the way. But in 3 weeks' time, it should open back up, so subscribe to see that. If you pushed a pin into your me falling down the stairs.
Can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds. Can ask the flowers. I sit for hours
I have a dog.
bluebirds. Can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling
Smarter
all the bluebirds.
than the
Can
fourth
ask the
person. Tama,
flowers. I sit
smarter.
for hours
Under the
telling all
sun.
the bluebirds. Can ask the flowers. I
Abakot.
sit
Eh,
for
sorry.
hours telling all the bluebirds.
Hindi ko alam, may kata may kat.
Can ask the
Ano ibig sabihin ng space? Oh.
Sometimes I wish I could just make myself.
Bot bot. Anong ulit ito? It works. Bye guys.